Hello. Yeah, got you. Hello. 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 It is working fine. Yeah, let's go. So we're gonna solve this first. Like, I will try to solve this. Not gonna surely solve this, but yeah. Learning currently strings and array. Like, I have done arrays and all, but I didn't remember much about array. So we're gonna like revise for of array and learning strings also, vice versa. Currently we are doing strings just for like I have not done nothing today cause it's Sunday, and I was just playing games and all. So yeah, let's start with the stream and try to solve this on our own. Like, not for sure, but I'll try, for sure. So yeah, just a second. Should I just do it on on whiteboard, or just do it on my like notebook on? You should see everything, right? So let's just do it on the right. Let's go. Now we gonna solve this. I have ready like explain visually, but let's first try to solve or on. So let's go. Like we have the string, right? So let's just copy it. And so now what we have to do is, if string has any white space, then mm, ignore it. Signedness, determine the sign by checking if the next character is sign. By checking if the next character is assuming a positive if neither present. What does it mean? I don't even know. If this is read, so the result should be negative. And this reads 0 ignored in the result. So on conversion, read integer by skipping leading zeros until a non-digit character is counted or end of the string is reached. If no digits were read, then the result is 0. Let's read the integer by skipping zeros. So can't understand this. Like, I'm not able to. Zero. No character. Read because there is no leading white space. No character. Read because there is neither a either. Let's just let's directly chat GPT it. Like I'm solving, like it's been 30 minutes. I can't solve this. I started stream after that, but we'll try to like understand the logic and then code. Using AI as like, if you use it wisely for learning things and all, then it will be okay for you. But if you are just copy pasting in your code from this and like don't understand the code is, what the code is about, then it won't work like that. Like if interview ask, or if you are solving any context, then you can't do it on your own. It will be so much hard for you and you'll be like demotivated after that. So I have been there, so that's why I'm like trying to improve myself currently. So we read digits until we hit a non-digit character. Like read 4, then 2. So number is 42. Apply the sign. Number is minus 42. And just this one is bit like odd question. I can't understand even question what the question is about. Like Catch you, mate. So for white space, it is keeping white space from the string. Sign check. What are the sign? Like if yeah, this condition is always there, cause if I goes out of bound from the array, so n is the length of the array or string, yeah, string, and if string go like gets a plus or minus sign, then it will get into this if statement, and then sign is equal to -1. If like if s of I is minus, if this gets minus, then sign equals to minus. Okay, then else 1. What's a 1? And I plus 1, right? Yeah. Then convert digits. So s of I dot is digit. Convert, what is a digit converting, bro? Like read the integers, skipping the leading zeros until a non-digit. If yeah, it will convert the number into a minus if the sign is -1. If number of if this one is hard, yaar. बहुत मगर लॉर्ड व्हाट्स been learning this, like this string. Yeah, some company asked, but not this much level. I'm gonna skip this too and gonna done this after. Let's solve this. It is taking so much time, that's why I'm like, I won't give up, but gonna solve after, like if I can solve this one. So what's this like? For example, the beauty of string. The beauty of string is the difference in frequency between the most frequent character and least frequent character. I say, if I say like, yeah, I can, maybe I can do that. So we have um, a we have a 5 times, not five, 3 times, b one, c 2 times, 2 times, and b 1 time. So we gonna minus a minus b frequency, which is a 3 minus 1, and return something like what's a 5, bro? 2, like it's 2. The beauty of is a 2. So now given string s, return a sum of the beauty of all the substrings. So we have substrings, then we have to like uh, get those beauty of substrings and plus them together, sum them together, and it will be 5. Yeah, so we have a 2 b1, so it's a 1. If we have a b c, so let's do this one. This string is, let's try that. We have the string, right? I'm not teaching you guys anything, I'm just learning myself and making content out of it. So we have right, so yeah, so we can say that uh, b, yeah, right, then this much, right, then full, then I'm going to take this much, and then this much, no, this for the this much, yeah? This 5 string I have taken, but a b c, sorry, a will be there but not a b. Yeah, so what's the beauty of this? So we have a1, b1, no, a2 and b1 and b1, so we're gonna have 1, right? Beauty of this string. Same, we I understand logic, but a bit confusing maybe. Yeah, C, here C is C or B, whatever you take, like it's both, the frequency of both are 1, so yeah, 1, then it is going to be a 1 again, the same. Like in here we have two B's and one C, then it will going to be a 1. And if we take B, first 5 string, do we have to like is there any limit of substrings we gonna have? So the substrings with non-zero beauties are, so we have to take non-zero beauties, right? So we gonna have like, yeah, zeros here. So we can't consider this as a string right now, substring. Like we can consider as a substring if it is a normal question, but in here this is not a substring. We can't get any like proper answer from this. So that's how, yeah. So let's solve this, right? A B C B, then A A B. That's then A B C, right? A B C, then B C B. So B C B. Yeah, got you, bro. This one is 2, and if we do this, how much string? CB, not 0, bro, 1. So the answer is gonna 5 for sure, as we can see that total answer is 5. So we have to brute force it first, like linearly going through every single character and make that so A it will be like we take a frequency of we have to like do hash map thing, yeah. So now we're gonna make some hash map like this. Maybe like if we go through every string, like every full string, then it's A B C B, right? So firstly we're gonna like A, right? So A and it won't work, it will be 0, then comma, A comma B is equals to 1, the beauty, like beauty list, number of beauty list, and we gonna loop through this. If we after getting these answers, like after getting this beauty inside our hash map, we can loop through this hash map and get those answer and plus them together, and we will get our answer, right? That's the thing. But that's like there is some like mm, the main thing is I don't know how to put this string inside hash map as a key. We have to store this as a key and the frequency as a value. Yeah, like that must be like that. That should it should be like that, but yeah, let's see. I have to learn that. That's the thing I'm gonna do right now. So loop through the every bit of a string and place the string inside the. How do I do that? If the characters are same, there are two characters and that both are same, then it won't work like that. So the hash map will be a 0, right? Yeah. So what should I do? What should I do? Yeah. We're gonna do like yeah. So do firstly we store A, then AA, it will be again 0, then AAB. It will be a 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then we're gonna store AABC, which is again 1. Then we're gonna store AABCB full string, which will be 1 again. Then we're gonna start from A, B, A again, which is already there, so we don't have to do that. Then AB, so AB gonna 0 again, then C again 0, then B, yeah, it will be a 1 again, so it will be a 3 1, that is 3. Then BCB, which is 1 again, BC, which is 0, BCB 1, then CB will be 0, so we're gonna at the last we're gonna have answer 5. But I have to loop through this bit by bit, and how do I check if if the string has a double A and we have to store it on a hash map? How do I store that? That will be a main problem. So I know the logic, but can't do it right now. Like not right now. Can't do it without getting help from this shitty guy. Yeah, I know the logic. Maybe yeah, that's the thing. The beauty is max minus min frequency, which is I told ya, bro. Told ya. Told ya. A B A B C A B C B. That's the thing we gonna do. Like yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Which what was I talking about? Like set a brute force code. Told you, bro. Told you. total beauty, and the fan frequency J. So it's a 2 pointer frequency of we have to store this. It's not using hash map, might be. Yeah, it's not using. Absolutely. Let's explain the solution of hash map. Like, you should explain that, because I already know about that. That I can do this with using hash map, right? So that's the same thing. That's the same thing again. For a current substring. I will be, I will be, I will be character is equal to s of j. So frequency of character. What's the frequency of character? Oh man. Oh man. Max frequency dot max dot frequency dot values. Oh man. So what it is doing that make hash map, like when for every loop what's this, bro? Yeah, so we don't have to make hash map permanent, which will be a beneficial for us only. Mm, oh, what is this one? I don't know. Like for C in a frequency, frequency of C is greater than 0. So let's try this. I know Now I know like how to do it. We have a total beauty, then okay. I was trying to get has or student pack. So let's try to solve this with a hash map. Yeah, I have solved hash map problems when I was solving arrays, but in string I haven't done that till now, and will be our length of string. So yeah, and we have a total beauty tb is equals to 0. Then we're gonna loop I in range of n, which will be and frequency will be a hash map, which we have to build every time from if string goes from like a b a a c c. If a string is this, then like when how do I explain you guys, like when string goes from a b a, then it will get all the values of hash map. So as of so for a frequency for j and range of n also, if so what I have to do is character not frequency of s of j, which will be equals to frequency dot get s of j comma 0 plus 1, which what it gonna do is if s of j key is present in hash map already, then it will increment it. If not, it will make it and increment it to the 1. According to me, like what I have remember till now by doing solving problems. If I'm wrong, don't offend too much. Offend. I'm learner, so yeah. Is it live properly? Yeah. We are solving this now. Now. After getting a frequency, like yeah, after getting frequency, we have to find max of like frequency and minimum of frequency, which will be a max of frequency, which is a max of frequency dot values whatever the frequency is. Like if it is 2, then it will get a 2 and a max. If it 1 and 2, then it will get a maximum value of frequencies value, not a key. We have to uh, fetch values out of the hash map, because it is a frequency. What we have to do is uh, minus minus those maximum frequency minus minimum frequency, which will be our the answer, not a proper answer but a half answer. Then we'll plus it with total beauty. So max and minimum of frequency and minimum minimum there was something like it was but confusing. Frequency of C for a C in frequency of S, C of J should be greater than N. It was something like that. Yeah, maybe frequency of C and frequency of C is, yeah, frequency of C is greater than 0. Why it can't do? Now what we're gonna do is TV plus equals to max f minus min f. And return TV. It should be working. Like there is something which is odd in our code, which is the same as this fucking what's wrong with this? Can you please tell me? It is same as frequency C for n frequency if, yeah, see, my bad, that's the thing. Still we got, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We can't solve this using hash map. Oh, can we? Like, what's wrong with my code? Let's see. I see. It should be working. Like, according to me, hash map is best thing for this, and that is not working. Then, yeah, now it should be working. Like, it is throwing me a 15. It is throwing me a 56. My bad. It should be working now. Yeah. I thought like while like coding this, I thought that the J should be after one, like after I. But yeah, so I've solved this, but it's still bit hard. So yeah. So yeah, we come like I have completed almost strings, questions of strings, but still I'm gonna revision it for now, like uh, we have done much and solved this one problem also of string. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We're gonna have streams from tomorrow also of developing some apps, and I have trying some automation thing also, learning automation also. So we're gonna do that also, like using ChatGPT only. So that not like I'm not learning from any course and all. I'm just learning basic automation thing which can I use in my development journey. So yeah, I'll be I'll be streaming daily. I'll try, like I'm not uploading any videos just because of my alas, but yeah, I'll try my best to stream daily, and yeah, not gonna say much about streaming and all. And I'm not here for teaching you guys. Like I'm not being rude, but I'm not here for teaching you guys. I'm just trying to learn and keep my things steady and learning new things with you guys. Yeah. If I'm wrong, you can like just comment it, and I'll be doing that. So yeah. See you. Bye bye. And yeah, keep learning, and what should I say? Bye.